Here's another duet for you. I'll be person A, you'll be person B. Are you ready? Here we go. Excuse me, I couldn't help but notice your luggage tag. Are you heading to a specific destination? London is a fantastic city. I'm actually heading there too. I'm visiting some friends and taking a short vacation. I'm excited to explore the museum
Museums.
and landmarks. Thank you for the recommendations. I'll make sure to check them out. By the way, have you been to London before? I'm really looking forward to it. Are there any particular places or experiences that you think are a must-see or a must-do? Those sound amazing. I'll make sure to add them to my list. Oh, look, the train is approaching. We should head to our platforms. It was nice chatting with you.